Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet with a blender. First, gather your ingredients. You'll want about 2 cups of ripe, frozen fruit, like berries or mango, for the best flavor. Next, prepare a simple syrup by dissolving 1/2 cup of sugar in 1/2 cup of hot water, then let it cool completely. This syrup adds sweetness and helps with the sorbet's texture. Now, let's blend. Add your frozen fruit to a high-speed blender, along with about 1/4 cup of your cooled simple syrup. Start blending on a low setting, using a tamper to push the fruit towards the blades. Gradually increase the speed, continuing to blend until the mixture transforms into a smooth, soft-serve consistency. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Once blended, it's time to fine-tune your sorbet. If it's too thick, add a tablespoon of fruit juice or water at a time until it reaches your desired consistency. For a brighter flavor, a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice works wonders. Taste the sorbet and add a little more simple syrup if you prefer it sweeter. Blend briefly after each adjustment to incorporate. Finally, transfer your freshly blended sorbet into a freezer-safe container. Smooth the top and cover it tightly. Place it in the freezer for at least 2 to 4 hours to firm up, making it perfectly scoopable. Before serving, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes to soften slightly. Enjoy your delicious homemade sorbet. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.